In your legislative watch tonight, today Governor Brad Little signed into law House Bill 366, better known as the Fetal Heartbeat Bill. The new law will ban abortions in Idaho after a baby's heartbeat is detected. There are exceptions for medical emergencies and pregnancies that are the result of rape or incest. During the signing, the governor issued a statement that reads in part, quote, "Idaho is a state that values the most innocent of all lives, the lives of babies. We should never relent in our efforts to protect the lives of the preborn. I appreciate Idaho lawmakers for continuing to protect lives by passing this important legislation, and I am proud to sign the bill into law today," end quote.